Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Teja. You're watching Aditya Flutes. I'm a flute teacher. So, dear friends, today exercise number 2. In this exercise number 2, we are going to discuss the importance of thumb and little finger. One thing I would like to say to you, there is no urge in anything, in the sense, if you are consistent with your practice and if you are motivated every single day, if you keep your motivation up every single day, believe me, maybe just in 9 months or 10 months or even 7 months after, you can play. But don't be in that constant urge, I want to play, and don't mess yourself too much that you neglect basics. So today we are going to discuss something which is very basic, the importance of thumb and little finger. Dear friends, just observe my thumb, how it is placed, how is my thumb placed. This is my left hand, and look at my right hand thumb, how it is taken support. So that is what it is. And you know what? According to my research, 80% of the strength to hold the flute is derived from thumb and little finger. But no one bothers it. Most of the people, they don't bother it. Everyone are only concerned about these 6 fingers. But believe me, this thumb and little finger, they play a very important major role. It's just that you just just become aware. How are your finger dynamics towards your flute? That's all. But if at all you are not holding this position, you are holding your flute like this, that is not a good position. This is a good position. You need to place your your thumb, your little finger like this, not even like this. Basically, our aim is we need to create a stiff angle, and we need to hold it very stiffly, that the flute shouldn't shake nor flute shouldn't move. That is what it is. Just observe my posture. In this flute playing, in this learning process, the more peaceful you are, the better you learn. What it is? The more peaceful you are, the better you learn. So you don't have to worry about any single thing. Every day try to be open for new knowledge and keep your practice updated, and that's it. What else formula you need for you to play better? So all the very best. And we teach flute especially for beginners, basics. So whoever is interested, they can just contact us on the given number. So thank you so much. See you with the next exercise soon.